Hey guys, this is Alan Stamp from Baseheads of Van Wert. How we doing today? Well, today I decided I'm going to work on my bass knob. I got one from Custom Bass Knobs here in Van Wert. I sent away and they made me this custom bass knob. It's got Derek's face on the back of it from Sundown Unofficial. So this is what I'm going to be working on today. I'm going to hook up a few extra wires here and hopefully I get this thing working. Be right back with you. Hey guys, I'm back. Got it all hooked up. This is what she looks like. And I have it playing right now. Just give you a sample of what it sounds like. Still, it's really hitting. 3 kinds of bass. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Just leave me a comment down below. And I'm sorry, I'm sounding a little hoarse today. I'm battling an upper respiratory problem. And hopefully I'll get better in a few days. This is what I'm doing with having to stay home during this coronavirus. So you guys stay safe. And practice, your safe measures and all that. Wash your hands and all that type stuff. This is Al Stamp signing off. Bye, guys.